Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to recreate Blackpink makeup. We start with eyeshadow primer and just applying it all over our lid. Then I use LA Girl eye pencil and filling my lash line. Then comes new palette from NYX Ultimate Edit, and I use two shades, this pinky and more like orange, just mixing them together. Put the same mix under your eyes and just blend it really well. With my finger, I take yellow and just put it on my lid. And just blend it a little bit with your brush. I'm using Catrice palette to fill underbrow area. I wanted a little bit more, so I took my favorite palette from Morphe and just applied a little bit on my eyes. I just love the way this shimmer eyeshadow looks. So then I use face primer. You may also use face cream or something like this as you wish. Then apply foundation. I'm applying invisible powder to fix all our makeup. And then I use one of my favorite things from Catrice, it's brow mascara. And of course we will need white eyeliner for this makeup. Just try to turn your head all over just to find the way you can use this white eyeliner. You may also use your finger to make this like fade. And I'm applying this peachy pinky eyeshadow from Morphe. And one more of my Catrice faves. It's Glam&Doll mascara, and I'm just in love in all of variety that we have in our stores. I think I applied everything on my lips, but I liked the way they looked. And blush, just a little bit of blush on your face. I'm not using contouring this time, don't know why, but no. And that's all, pretty quickly and simple. So if you like this video, just let me know, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and remember that you are beautiful.